Now it's time to cut the handle out of the large step. And the plans tell me to come 6 inches from each side. And actually, the plans don't tell me that. What the plans tell me is the handle should be 6 inches long. But knowing this entire board is 18 inches wide, if I take 6 out of the middle, I'll have 6 left on either side because 6 times 3 is 18. So I've taken the liberty of just use my speed square. I came in 6 inches, put a line, did the same thing over here, made a dot I should say, and then turned my speed square perpendicular and made a line coming down. So that's what those two lines represent. Now I want to make sure I have enough room here so that I don't make this, what's left from the top of the handle, really small, really thin, really weak. So I'm going to come down about 1 inch. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use my large square and I'm going to use the elbow of it. On the elbow, the inches continue. The inches come from the top corner and down, but they also come from the inside corner and down. That's what I mean by the elbow. So what I'm going to do is use a Sharpie so you can see it, and I'm going to put a dot at 1 inch, and then I'm simply going to take my large square, hook it on my nice straight edge to my board, and I'm going to make a line up top. And the reason I'm doing this is because as I go to the drill press to cut my hole saw, I'm going to bring that handle and that hole saw down so that it takes up this corner and also this corner. So I'm going to make a hole here in this top corner and a hole here in this corner. And then I'm going to use a jigsaw and I'm going to cut out the tangents from the top of this circle to the top of the next circle and the bottom of this circle to the bottom of the next circle. So let's head over to the drill press and let's get those holes cut. I got my scrap block underneath, and I can definitely clamp this too if I'd like. Go ahead and put this in. And we're going to come back once we're all set up and this is clamped to the table, and we'll cut our holes with our hole saw.